What is quantitative analysis? Example of quantitative analysis. Welcome to the world of numbers, equations, and logic. Today, we're delving into the realm of quantitative analysis. It's a technique utilizing mathematical and statistical modeling to understand behavior. Think of it as the science of making informed decisions based on hard data. Quantitative analysis is vital in our modern world. It's used in finance, business, and even social sciences. It's all about finding patterns, making predictions, and bringing clarity to complex situations. It's the backbone of critical decision making. Let's take a step back and understand what it really is. Quantitative analysis involves the collection of raw data. This could be anything, from sales figures to customer feedback. Then, we subject this data to analytical and statistical techniques to extract meaningful insights. But, why is this useful? Simply put, it helps us make sense of large volumes of data. It helps us see the big picture. With quantitative analysis, we can inform our decisions with facts, not hunches. Now, let's talk about how quantitative analysis is used in the real world. A perfect example is the stock market. Here, traders and investors use it to predict future market trends. In the stock market, quantitative analysts gather historical data. This could be stock prices, economic indicators, or company financials. They then use mathematical models to predict future price movements. This analysis helps them make investment decisions. Quantitative analysis isn't just restricted to finance. It's used extensively in marketing too. Here, marketers use it to understand consumer behavior and make strategic decisions. For instance, a marketer might collect data on customer purchases. They then analyze this data to understand what products are popular. This helps them decide which products to promote and how to price them. To sum it up, quantitative analysis is all about using data to inform decision-making. It's a powerful tool in finance, marketing, and many other fields. So, the next time you're faced with a complex decision, remember quantitative analysis. It's your guide to making informed, data-driven choices. It's the science of turning raw data into actionable insights. In essence, quantitative analysis helps you navigate the complex world of numbers. It offers a methodical, logical approach to problem solving. It's not just about crunching numbers, but about making sense of them. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding student, understanding quantitative analysis is key. It's a vital tool in today's data-driven world. So, gear up, embrace the power of data, and let quantitative analysis guide your way. Remember, in a world full of uncertainties, quantitative analysis offers a beacon of clarity. It's your roadmap to understanding the world, one data point at a time. So, dive in, explore, and let the numbers guide your path. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of quantitative analysis. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of what it is, how it works, and its importance in our world. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of data.